Ready to revolutionize your daily tasks with the power of AI? From creating professional photos to optimizing your schedule, we've got everything you need to boost your productivity. Let's dive in and discover how these amazing tools can transform your workflow. Number 1. Vidnaz. AI significantly reduces task completion time, enabling hours of work to be done in minutes. For instance, Vidnaz simplifies creating a high-quality LinkedIn profile picture. By uploading a clear front-facing photo, whether an old headshot or a simple selfie, you can quickly generate a professional headshot. Simply select the gender and style, and within seconds, your headshot is ready. You can also switch styles as needed. To enhance the image further, an image scaler can be used. Number 2. Reclaim AI. This is like a booster for Google Calendar, is an AI scheduling app that finds the best time for meetings, tasks, breaks, and habits. It's not a daily planner or project manager but a tool that sets rules for how events appear on your calendar, optimizing it. Its Smart Meetings feature finds the best times for meetings and adjusts your schedule. Reclaim also adds and maintains habits in your calendar, like ensuring you don't miss lunch by scheduling it and adjusting other tasks accordingly. For project managers or team workers, adding Reclaim to your calendar can speed up team processes, streamline scheduling, and reduce the stress of constant planning and rescheduling. Number 3. Perplexity. The next tool is Perplexity. It can completely transform how you approach search and research. The tool appears as a typical chat interface, and when you click on the search bar, it suggests queries based on the latest news. You can ask simple questions, like what's the most cliché sentence with quantum, or complex scientific queries. What sets Perplexity apart from other AI research tools is that it actually performs research, compiles a list of sources, and writes a coherent response. Within the response, it provides links to the sources, making fact-checking or quoting easy. But the standout feature of Perplexity is its Pro Search mode. When enabled, the AI becomes smarter, better understands questions, and deeply analyzes sources. It even asks clarifying questions to better understand your needs. These questions are incredibly helpful, bridging the gap between you and the AI. Unlike other tools, Perplexity has a feature called Focus, which lets you choose the data sources the AI will use, be it academic papers, YouTube, or Reddit. With a subscription, you can change the AI model in the settings and upload images, which Perplexity can understand in detail, including schematics and graphs. Number 4. Wolfram Alpha. This is another amazing tool, ideal for engineers, researchers, and even regular users with simple needs. You don't need to type in requests like, please calculate this, or explain that. Just enter what you want to calculate, and you'll get an interactive form with adjustable parameters. The AI handles the math for you. With a subscription, you can even upload images, allowing the AI to recognize text and formulas. Wolfram Alpha delivers comprehensive results every time, not withholding any information. When working with uploaded images, it recognizes text, shows possible transformations, applies effects, and analyzes colors. It excels with tables and large data sets, creating graphs, plots, histograms, and more without you asking. It can calculate mortgages, the orbital path of the Hubble telescope, and much more. Number 5. Neuron Writer. Another tool to significantly enhance your SEO articles, and is almost free, is Neuron Writer. To create an SEO-optimized article, start by entering the main keyword you want to rank for. Then select the target country and language. The AI researches and provides a list of competitors used as references for your article. Each competitor listing includes its Google rank, content score, article length, title, and URL. To add missing keywords, scroll up and click Auto Insert. The AI will suggest how certain sentences can be rewritten to include necessary keywords, and you just accept the suggestions you like. Instead of spending half an hour on keyword research and a few hours writing and optimizing, it's all done in just 5 minutes. Number 6. Quillbot. For regular copywriters, there's Quillbot, You can choose from many styles, such as fluency, formal, academic, creative, and more. There's also a slider for selecting how synonymous you want your paraphrased text to be. Paste the text, hit one button, and each highlighted word can be replaced with another from a list of suggestions. Quillbot's grammar checker saves a ton of time. Paste a text or upload a file, and the AI shows your mistakes and how to fix them. There's also a built-in plagiarism checker, so with one subscription, you can fix and check your articles for plagiarism. Quillbot can also summarize and translate, but these features aren't as impressive nowadays. The best thing about Quillbot is that if you write in English, you can use most of its features for free. Number 7. Codium. If you're a programmer, check out Codium. Many programmers agree that writing tests is a real mood breaker. Writing tests requires understanding your code. Also, to predict every little exception that might occur, Codium was created to address this issue. It can generate tests and offer logical suggestions. It identifies behaviors and potential errors in the original code that might not be handled properly. What's especially helpful and convenient is that each test can be conducted individually, and Codium can even fix the errors for you. This can be useful for junior programmers who are just learning. Another feature you might like is that Codium can explain the code and provide a detailed analysis, including inputs, flow, and output, in a format similar to typical project documentation at work, requiring minimal adjustment. Codium also gives suggestions on how to improve your code, sometimes offering insights you might not have considered. Number 8. Rezi AI. Instead of writing a resume yourself, try Rezi AI. Here, you choose the type of document you want to create, whether to use a sample, and if you want it tailored to a specific job. Then, you go through a quick questionnaire where you paste a job description from a headhunting platform. The AI reads what's needed for the job and extracts keywords. Next, you select a field or domain for the job and inform the AI about your personal experience. By this point, the AI knows what to include in your resume but still needs some details from you, such as your name, contact information, past experiences, and so on. Once you provide all this information and choose your skills, it will tailor your resume accordingly. Number 9. Product Scope. Product Scope is the new best friend for anyone selling products online. If you sell on Amazon, with just one click, you can transform your generic listing photos into a fully customizable photo shoot. AI will automatically remove backgrounds where needed and blend your product onto a new background in a natural way. Creating unique product photos takes only a couple of minutes, but better photos lead to better conversions. Product Scope also optimizes your listings. You just paste an ASIN number, choose the type of keywords you want, and hit one button. AI does all the research and generates a ton of keywords to use in your listing, improving its reach. No need to do the research yourself, just trust AI and copy-paste everything into your listing. Number 10. 10Web is an AI-powered website developer that simplifies creating and managing websites. Start by providing your website's main goal and selecting a template. The AI then generates a complete website based on your inputs, which you can further customize through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The platform offers AI-driven content recommendations, optimizing text, images, and SEO to enhance performance. It also includes automated backup and security features, monitoring for issues and applying updates as needed. Built-in analytics provide insights into visitor behavior, helping you make data-driven improvements. With these incredible AI tools, you can simplify professional photos, optimize your scheduling, and so much more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to make your life easier. See you next time.